Hi everyone, I'm Lacey and I'm very excited to present this to you. um, I'm interested in being a correctional psychologist. They give mental health treatment to those placed in correctional facilities like prisons or juvenile detention centers. They also ensure safe environments for both staff and inmates. Actually, a big part of what they do is to make sure that the staff of prisons are okay and well taken care of. They often give parole recommendations to um, probation officers and things like that for inmates who are leaving the system. And they assist in reintegration to society, so if an inmate is leaving, they would help an inmate be able to function properly in society again. The required education for this depends on the state. Some states only require a master's degree, but most actually require a doctorate focused on forensic psychology. Research hours and internship hours are both required as well, and depending on the state, you would need a licensure exam. Where I reside in Arizona, where I also want to practice, a doctorate and a licensure exam are required. How this fits into my 4-year plan, right now I'm getting my bachelor's in psychology from BYU, Idaho, and then hopefully to go on to get my PhD in clinical psychology with an emphasis in forensic psychology from the University of Arizona, and then on to internship and practice in Arizona. The why of why I'm studying psychology in general, I want to help those who have been given the raw end of the deal, like those in the prison systems. I believe that those who are in the system weren't blessed with a good support system or good lives, and that's why they end up where they end up, most of them. And they also have problems in their brain that they can't help. And I believe that we are only as strong as our weakest link. So as a society, I think it's important that we are working to help those weak parts of society, which many view to be the criminals and inmates. And I know in chapter 13 of the book, it says that the reason I want to help people is pretty vague, and because there's a lot of different careers and paths that you can take that you can help people. And I agree, but I don't just want to help people, because I think that the way our minds work and how our minds affect literally everything is so interesting, and especially the minds of those that are in the correctional facilities. How they work and how they function and use their brain is interesting to me as well. And I just really want to help them become functioning members of society to make society better as a whole.